Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about units of measurement in Odoo. In Odoo, units of measurement plays a crucial role in managing inventory, sales, and purchase operations efficiently, and they allow you to define and manage different units for your product, ensuring accurate calculations and reporting. So UOM help you to track inventory levels consistently regardless of the units used for storage or sales. So let's dive into the sales module to manage with the units of measurement in Odoo 18. First, we just need to enable the feature from the configuration settings. This would allow you to sell and purchase products in different units of measurement. Here we can just configure the units of measurement from the configuration settings, or we can also manage the units of measurement under the configuration menu. So as you just drag down here, you can find a section called Units of Measure, where you can also manage the units of measure categories. So when you create the UOM, you just need to keep in mind that the created UOM must be belong to same category, then only you can do the conversions with the units of measurement. So I'm going to consider the units of measurement, which is unit, and here you can find it has got different units such as reference unit and the other unit which is bigger than the reference unit. So here dozen, we know one dozen will be having 12 quantities, which is given over here, and let's see how can we just make use of this. So before moving on to the sales and purchase, we just need to consider a product. So I'll be creating a product called book, and you can just make it as favorite. And if I just want to track the inventory, I'll be enabling this field, and I just want to track the inventory based on quantity. So currently we don't have a quantity in the product book. So I'll be setting the price of the book as $10 and the cost as $8. Now, here you can see the units. So this is the sales unit. So that is the reference unit. And as you just move on to the purchase tab, here you would be able to find that we can also set the purchase unit. So I'll be setting the purchased unit as dozen. So whenever we are just making the purchase, we will be purchasing in dozens. So afterwards, you can just save this, and you can see we have currently 0 units in the stock. So we just need to purchase the item. So let's dive into the purchase module. Let's create a purchase order from the scratch, where you can fill out the details of the vendor. The vendor is just Azure Interior, and I want to purchase the product book with one quantity. So as I just use one quantity, here you can see that the UOM is automatically configured in dozen. So we know 1 dozen is equal to 12 quantity. So whenever we just purchase 1 dozen, 12 quantity will be updated in our stock. So you can just save this quotation, and you can just confirm that. Afterwards, we just need to receive the items in our stock, and here you can see that we are just demanding for 12 quantity, and upon the validation of this process, we will be stocking 12 quantity in our warehouse. Now, as you just move on to the internal link of the product, you can see that the quantity will be updated and set to 12 over here. Now, let's move on to the sales module in order to make a delivery of the item to our customer. So we just need to create a quotation from the scratch where my customer is requiring, and I'll be choosing the product which is book with 1 quantity. And here you can see that the unit is just unit, that is the reference unit that is used under the sales module. And you can see that we can just confirm this order, and yeah, currently we have just made the sales order, and we just need to make the delivery of the item. And let's click on validate, so that upon the confirmation of the SMS, we can just do the delivery of the item to the customer, and we have just done with that. And as you just move on to the products, here you can see now we will be only having 11 quantity in our stock, and you can see we have just sold 1 quantity, and as you just move on to here, you can see we have just purchased 12 units, which means we have just purchased 1 dozen of book. So that's how we just deal with the units of measurement in Odoo 18 sales, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.